Hello and welcome to another A to Z World Foods video brought to you by the Weyburn Public Library and the Estevan Public Library. I'm Krista Clemmer, adult programmer at the Weyburn Public Library. A to Z World Foods is one of the e-resources that's available through the Southeast Regional Library website, and you can find it under the e-resources tab. Today we're going to be making a Bulgarian potato salad. Let's find out what ingredients we'll need. To make our Bulgarian potato salad, we're going to need 4 to 5 large potatoes, salt and pepper to taste, 2 to 3 spring onions. We've substituted green onions, juice of half a lemon, we're substituting lemon juice, olive oil, and fresh parsley or dill. We're using parsley. The first step is to peel and boil the potatoes for about 25 minutes, drain and allow to cool. Potatoes are peeled, water is boiling, we'll get them in there. In the meantime, we'll chop up our green onions and parsley. So while we wait for our potatoes to boil and cool, we are going to add our finely chopped onions, salt and pepper, olive oil, and lemon juice into a salad bowl and mix gently. We are going to cube the potatoes and add them to the salad bowl once they're cool. So our mix is all ready, our potatoes are all cooled. We are going to mix it all up gently. Yeah, a little bit more salt and pepper. And the last step is to sprinkle with herbs. So we've got our chopped parsley. We'll sprinkle it on top. Ooh, that makes it look really good. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that video on how to make Bulgarian potato salad, which is one of the A to Z World Foods recipes. You can find a link to the A to Z World Foods website, which is available for free through the Southeast Regional Library website under the e-resources tab. On the A to Z World Foods website, you'll find tons of recipes from all over the world. I'm Krista Clemmer, adult programmer with the Weyburn Public Library branch, bringing you another A to Z World Foods video with the Estevan Public Library branch of the Southeast Regional Library. Have a great day.